Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nikki. For those of you that don't know me, welcome, and those of you who've been to my channel before, you've been supportive. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Now before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me and you're notified anytime I upload a video. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know what types of videos you guys would like to see next. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm just calling this a rose gold halo eye. It's definitely something that's appropriate for fall, winter, and more specifically holiday time. So if you're looking for something to set off Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, or even New Year's, honey, this is a look for you, and I can't wait to pump out some more holiday looks because I have some more looks up my sleeve. You know, I haven't gotten out as many as I would like, but I do have some in my head. I got those creative juices flowing, so I do have some ideas about what types of videos I would like to do next. Now, y'all, I got my natural hair out today. I know it's very shocking because normally I have braids, a wig, or some type of crochet style in, but you know, it's looking a mess. It needs to be washed, but I just threw my little pearl clips up in there somehow. You know, it's I did something, okay? I tried, but anywho, we're here about the tutorial. So yes, I think this will be a perfect makeup look to rock during the holidays. It's very easy to achieve. It's nice, it's beautiful, it screams holidays, it screams festive, it screams I want to go out, it screams glam, and you got your neutral mauve pink lip going on as well. Now today's video is going to be focused more so on the eyes. So the base is already going to be done, and this is just going to be an eye tutorial, but I will have all of the face products that I use listed in the description box below, so no need to fret. You guys are always in the loop about what I'm using. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so my face, the base is pretty much done. I wanted this look to specifically focus on the eyes. I do apologize for the lighting. You know, it's a little gloomy outside, and then the lighting in here isn't like the best, so I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm just adjusting my mirror. A little better, of course. But yeah, so for the eye portion, I want to be using the Revlon Color Stay Enigma palette, and I'm going to be creating like a cranberry rose gold type of, you know, halo eye situation. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to prime my eyelid, and I'm going to take this LA Colors Conceal and Correct highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this on my lid space. This is going to help the shadows really, you know, just appear, you know, more brighter and more bolder, because that's what we want. This is a holiday tutorial, so we want the looks, you know, to definitely be on point. So I'm just gonna go through and just spread this all out over my eye like so. This is such a good like base. I always use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This really kind of helps the shadows shine bright, like for my darker like glittery shadows. Use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, especially for like my neon bright colors, but it works with all colors just the same. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the palette. So the first shadow I'm gonna take is this beautiful cranberry shade here, and I hate that these are skinny little things because sometimes your brush can just easily get mixed up in other colors, but hey, we're gonna work with what we got to get what we want. So I want the crease area to be a bit more like cranberry-ish, you know, give me that berry feel. So I'm gonna take this color and just apply it right into that crease. I normally don't do talk throughs, but I can talk because I'm only doing the eye portion. You know, sometimes I don't want my videos to be, you know, like super long, because some people, if you're like me, you have a short attention span, and when people get to talking, you know, and they ain't talk about nothing interesting, I kind of tune out, especially like, you know, people sit and talk for a long time about nothing. Like, at least make your conversation meaningful. That's why I try to, like, when I'm doing videos, I try to make the conversation meaningful, or at least something, you know, that people would want to listen to. So I'm just going in and just sweeping this all into my crease, like so. And then next I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna really just blend the outer edges so they're not harsh of this color. Just kind of just want it to like be gradient, just kind of flare it out a bit. Next I'm going to go in and I'm gonna take this beautiful purple shimmery shadow here. It's kind of like a deep plum kind of shadow, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna apply that onto, ooh, that's pigmented and that's pretty, like, oh my god. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna apply that into the outer and inner portions of my eyelid. So I'm gonna move my mirror in a little bit closer so I can see what I'm doing, and so you guys can see what I'm doing too. So I'm just gonna pop that in. I'm just placing it at this point. I'm not blending just yet. I know it's looking very harsh, but that's okay because we're not blending just yet. We just really want to place and get that color placed where we want it to be before we go in and blend it out. And I want to make sure the color payoff is just beautiful. So yes, look at that color payoff. It's so pretty. Alright, so now that we got the color placed where we want it to be, I'm gonna go in and just start blending that color. I'm gonna blend the edges and I'm gonna blend it into that berry color. So I'm gonna do like a soft blend without applying too much pressure, but enough so that the shadows really blend out. Alright, y'all. And see how pretty that is and how you can still see the color, but it blended right out so flawlessly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for this eye, like so. And then I'm gonna go into the inner, outer, and inner, because this is a halo look, and we want the star of the show to be in the middle. And this cranberry shade and this shade are just the background singers, so that's why. And these shadows don't have names, so I'm just describing by color. So yeah, just going in again, very light pressure, and blending it out. Now some of that shadow is getting towards my nose in my inner corner. Don't worry about that, we'll fix that. I'd rather have it there and blend it and then be fixable than, you know, looking a hot mess. So now that we've gotten that part done, I'm gonna go in and I want to get the outer and inner portions a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna go in with this matte purple shadow here, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it as well. Ooh, a lot of kickback. I grabbed a pretty good bit, but I want it to be a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna go in and just add a little bit. Actually, that's not even a little bit. Like that one swipe did both of my eyes. Like these shadows are pigmented, honey. Pigmented. I'll go back in, do the same thing, blend. These shadows have some kickback, I will tell you that. I'm gonna actually play some more of that product because I did pick up a lot on my brush. I'm gonna go back in, tap it off. I'm gonna get me that definition that I need. Tap in, because we don't want to take away from the shadows that we applied, but we do want to add some definition. I'm gonna go in and just blend that out like so. Make sure it's not harsh. Oh, aren't you glad you put the extra setting powder down there? Alright, so now that we pretty much have the base, I'm going to check this mirror too. And we're looking good. We're looking good, y'all. We're looking good. Just gonna go in and fix up a little bit more. There we go. We're looking good. We're looking good. I'm gonna bring that as if I was gonna connect. Alright, so we're looking good. We're looking real good. Now for the start of the show, I'm gonna go back in with some more of the LA Colors highlight. Just a little bit. I'm gonna apply that into the center of my lid. Like so. And I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. Just go in and just tap. That's all you gotta do. Go in and tap. Alright, so now that I got that product, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this beautiful rose gold shadow here. It's a pretty rose gold color. Watch when I apply it, y'all. Watch. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Shadows getting everywhere. I'm just applying that right there. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I love that. That is so pretty. That is really, really, really pretty. And I'm just now just gonna go in and just focus on blending that into the shadows. I'm gonna go back in with the brush I use for that darker shadow and just blend it into that rose gold shade, you know? That looks so pretty, y'all. Like, that looks so pretty, like, on my eyes. It looks so gorgeous. Like, this look is turning out so good. So good. So much better than I thought. So, we're not done yet. I'm going to go back into that matte purple. And I'm going to use this on my bottom lash line instead of using a liner, because I don't have a purple liner or a cranberry one, so I'm going to use this. And I'm just really going in just to smoke out that lash line. Oh, you guys can see how good that looks. So pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna go in and blend it out. So it's not, you know, looking too harsh, you know what I'm saying? Not looking too harsh. Blend that out. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to sweep away all of the excess. Whew. Just kind of sweep away all that excess shadow I don't need. Like so. Sweep it away, sweep it away, sweep it away, sweep it away. Now for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take that LA Colors highlight again. I'm gonna pop that into my inner corner, like so. Then I'm gonna go back into that palette. And I'm gonna take, I'm trying to find a clean brush. I'll use the back of this one. I'm gonna take that pretty pink right here, and I'm gonna apply that to my inner corner. Tap off. That's it. Ooh. Look how pretty. That just amped the look up. Look how pretty that is, y'all. That's super duper pretty. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, where's my mascara? Because I'm not using falsies today. I've been trying to give my lashes a break from using falsies because y'all, I've been trying to give my lashes a break from falsies because I've been pulling my lashes out. But we're gonna go in and we're gonna extend the natural lashes. So I'm using this e.l.f. I don't start using when I tell y'all what I'm using. This is the e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara. And I'm gonna go in and just pull these lashes up like so. My natural lashes, you know, are still beautiful. You don't have to use falsies for every single look. Some people just, you know, don't really like their natural lashes and they like to use falsies a lot, but I'm gonna use these. Cause I need to get my lashes a break. And then it's a pain applying them too sometimes. So I be like, you know, I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. I done spent all this time, this work on this look. I'm gonna use these natural lashes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and just add another coat just to get them extended how I want. Alright, I'm gonna apply some to my bottom lash line. Like so. Got them finished. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and then I'll be back with the finished look.